Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
काल एक PIL फाइल केली and the demand was to declare seafarers as frontline workers in Goa state and prioritize the vaccination for all the seafarers and especially for the age of 18 to 44. आज त्याची hearing आले. So ये hearing government has not replied and the court has directed the government, the state government, to file a reply. म्हाका दिसता आता court बंद आसतलो. So a reply after the 10th of June it will be coming out. कोर्टा दिसता गेलो ना. कोर्टान गेला कित्याक it is almost 15-20 days from the circular of DG shipping and all the seafarers are waiting to join the ship. It is not about going on the ship. It is about the essential goods, Essential Service Maintenance Act 1968. As per that act, it clearly says that all those in railway service and transport service in the carriage of passengers and goods by land, by sea and by air. Thanks सगळ्या essential workers, essential commodity transporters and key workers म्हणून declare केलो हा. आमकां seafarersanक केलो ना आणि होच आमगे demand आहा. Although the replies on the 10th of June, request the Goa government, please come up with an answer, please come up with a solution. Make provisions for vaccination for 18 to 44, 18 to 45 in MPT.